Okay, we're on page 631, and we're on number 3. And we're talking about Dinah the duck. And her keeper is Mr. Lee, and she's at the zoo, and she's sick. And he's supposed to go on this trip to this conference, but he's not sure if he should go if she's still sick. So that's what we're doing. We're going to fill in this little table diagram, and they already drew it for us. And this means she recovers, and this means she doesn't recover. Remember, the C is for complement, doesn't, and that's a not. So first of all, it says up here, the probability that Dinah will recover by next Thursday is 0.8. So recover 0.8. And remember, on each one of these tree diagrams, when I look at one of these little pieces, it always adds up to 1. So I do 1 minus 0.8. And I get the other one should be 0.2. Okay, then it says if she recovers, if Dinah recovers, the chance he will go is 0.9. So if she recovers, the chance he will go is 0.9. So these add up to 1, so subtracting you get 0.1. Then it says if she doesn't recover, he still may go, depending on how she's doing, but if she doesn't recover and she's not fully well, there's only a 0.4 chance that he'll go. So now we did A, we filled in all this stuff. So I'm going to scoot it up so we can see the other parts. Then it says B, what's the chance that he will go, probability B. What's the probability that Dinah recovers, but he still stays at the zoo, he doesn't go. So it says, what's the chance she recovers, but he still stays at the zoo. So that's recover, still stays at the zoo. We need to do that, multiply. 0.08. Do be careful with your decimals. 0.08 and 0.8 is not the same thing. And if you don't put 0.08, you'll get it wrong. Okay, find the probability that Mr. Lee goes to the conference. Well, he goes to the conference in 2 different places. He goes to the conference there, and he goes to the conference here. So I need to calculate each one of those. So to get the first one, I multiply these. And I get 0.72. And then I'm going to multiply these here. And I get 0.08. And then I need to add these 2 numbers together. And I get 0.8 chance that he's going to go. And then it says, are these independent? Well, if these were independent, the chance of him going to the conference would be the same as him going to the chance of the conference here. Are these the same number? No, so not independent.